Hello. The problem statement here says that factorial 14 is divisible by 2 to the power x and 5 to the power y, where x and y are positive integers. And based on this information, we have to compare the greatest possible value of x to 4 times the greatest possible value of y. So we have to compare these two values and see if there is enough information to compare them, and if there is, whether they're equal or greater than or less than each other. So we have to draw a relationship between 2 to the power x, 5 to the power y, and the factorial of 14. So factorial of 14 is obviously 14 times 13 times 12, and it goes until 1. And we have to find the product of prime numbers to the power of 2 and 5, so we can draw a relationship. So I am only going to look into the ones that have 2's and 5's. So for 14, it's 2 into 7, and then 13. For 12, we have 2 into 2 into 3. For 11, we don't count it. For 10, it's 2 times 5. For 9, we don't count it. For 8, it's 2 times 2 times 2. For 6, it's 2 times 3. For 4, it's 2 times 2, and then we have 2 itself, and the rest I'm not showing. So we see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 2's, and we have only 1, and oh, there was another 5 which we forgot to count. So there are 2 5's. So, and there are some other quantities, but if we compare to this and this in the form of x and y, we see that x is 11 and y is 2. So now that we have x and y value, we can go back to our comparison. So column A is x, which is 11, and column B is 4y, which is 4 into 2 equal to 8. So obviously column A is greater. So for this problem statement, answer is option A, quantity A is greater.